and the short-sightedness of the council's proposals. Please let people know that the council meeting is on Thursday at 5:30 at Wallasey Town Hall to make their final decision for the future of 14 libraries, the Sports Centre in Woodchurch, Pacific Road Theatre. Please urge people to attend as we can make a difference, says Elizabeth Webber. And we are, don't forget, having a couple of people on the programme on Thursday after the result before we go into our programme. Hello, Neil.
Hi, Pete. How are you, mate? You all right?
Well, thank you.
All it was, Pete, I've come up with basically what it is, Pete. With all this flu coming around lately, I've come up with like a business idea to help solve the epidemic of, all viruses. There's like 80 million germs going around, apparently.
Yeah.
And the doctors now, they don't give you antibiotics for anything. So what I've decided to do is come up with tissues, handkerchiefs, for all different people individually, for people to buy, basically. Can I tell you a couple of them, or?
I don't understand what you mean. Explain.
Well, I've come up with an idea to make hankies.
Right.
For people that have the flu.
But what good's a hanky?
What good is a hanky?
Yeah, you need tissues, hankies.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying to you.
Right,
so
tissues.
I've come up with to actually produce hankies.
Right.
For individual people's needs.
Well, surely the same need is blowing your nose.
Yes, it is, but I've come up with a fun way to get rid of
right,
the flu.
a fun way, right,
Yes.
fine, right. Go on.
A couple of the ideas, I've come up with bees' knees hankies. Yeah?
Bees' knees.
Bees' knees hankies.
Right.
Snotties hankies.
Right.
For posh people.
Yeah.
Snort sneezies for cokeheads.
Right.
And handkerchiefs for Indians. Right?
Right.
Chinese sneezies.
Right.
Asian floozies, hankies.
Right.
Germeasy sneezies.
Right.
And the last one, which I don't know whether I should say that one, but I've also got Rasta sneezies, which will come in red, gold and green.
Right.
So, basically, I need some backing up to go on with the idea and produce them and make having a cold and having the flu a bit of fun. Well, we'll go down the shop and we'll get some snort sneezies.
Right.
Or we'll have some Chinese sneezies or
whatever. All right, well, Neil, you've sold the idea. Dragon's Den probably ripped your letter up, but we've given you the chance to have a go. Thank you very much for that.